Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you two math games. One is about shapes and numbers, and the other is about how to make 10. All right, let's go over the shape one first. Say hexagon. Good. Say trapezoid. Good. Square. Triangle. Rhombus. Skinny rhombus. They look very much the same, and it's like one is wider and one is more thin. One more time. Good. Hexagon. Trapezoid. Square. Rhombus. Skinny rhombus. And triangle. All right. Let me get to my document camera here and show you what we're going to do. All right. This is, I can build a turkey. So you take your shapes, it's just like a puzzle, and you match them. There's a trapezoid there, and a rhombus, putting them edge to edge like that. This one, a triangle. Another trapezoid. As you're building this, I would like for you to say the names of the shapes. Triangle, 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 and here's another triangle. Now we've got a lot of skinny rhombuses. Here's one, oops. Here's one, you have to be very delicate. Another skinny rhombus. Here's one. You don't have to do it exactly like I'm doing it. You can put them in any kind of order that you want to, whatever is easiest for you. And boys and girls, if you don't have enough, improvise. It's okay because the pattern is still there and you can still count. I'm going to put my blue rhombuses, the ones that are thicker or wider, in there, just like that. And then I've got this one. And this one, and my turkey is finished. All right, now make sure if your turkey is not laminated, that you put it in your clear sleeve so you can play with it over and over again and see if maybe the next time you do it, you put different shapes on there and be creative. The first shape is what shape, boys and girls? That's right, it's a triangle. And it's asking us how many, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, the next shape is what, boys and girls? Good, it's a trapezoid. 1, 2, 3. 5 is more than 3, and we know that because it is after 3 on the number line. Square, we don't have any squares. Okay, rhombus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What shape is that? Hexagon. Do we have any hexagons? No, so we have to put a 0. And skinny rhombuses, let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8. So looking at this, what shape do we have the most? We have more skinny rhombuses than any other because 8 is the biggest number. All right, so that's one game that we're going to play today. Let me get back here. Now, the next game is called Racing Bear. Racing Bears. And you can start with 1 or 2. I'm going to put 2 down because I'm going to pretend that I have a partner, and we're going to take turns to see who gets to 10 first. And I want you to listen to some of the questions that I ask my pretend partner, so that's the kind of stuff that I want you and your partner to be talking about. They're called math talks. All right, so here's Racing Bear. And if you have pennies, you can use pennies. If you have anything little, I happen to have these little charms, but you can have anything that you have around the house that's small that you can use, or change of some sort. So starting on a 0, and whoever gets to the 10 first wins the game. Let me get this right. All right, so you have a die, just like that. And you roll it. So let's say it's the red one's turn first. So he goes up 1 space. So how many more does he need to get to 10? If he's on 1, he has 9 more. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So he needs 9 more to beat the green. Now let's try another. All right, 4 is for the green one's turn. So he goes up 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, the one on 4 needs 6 to win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so 4 is closer than to 10 than 1 is. Okay, it is the red one's turn. So red rolled a 5, and you're already on 1, so you have to jump up 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since you were on the number 1, that puts you at 6. So how many more do you need to get to 10? Remember these questions. You need 4 more. All right, it's the green one's turn. And look, 4 and 6 make 10, and look what was rolled. So let's see who wins the game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So green won the game. Now, you could also play with just 1, or you could play with 4. There's many different ways to play this game, and you might see it again, and Miss Brown can show you a different way, maybe a harder way to play it. And a more fun way sometimes too is to put your favorite candy down. You might want to put Skittles down there, or M&Ms or something like that. But that's called How Many Ways to Make 10. Enjoy playing your games, boys and girls.